Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Richard Reti and Sergey Nikolaevich von Freymann. This game was played in Abbazia, Opatija, in 1912. That was Austro-Hungarian Empire at that time. Player with the black pieces in this game, Sergey Nikolaevich von Freymann, was one of the strongest masters around the time of the Russian Revolution. He was 4 times Uzbekistani champion and finished second in 1929 Soviet Union Championship. So Richard Reti is in this game facing a formidable opponent. Richard Reti had white pieces and he started with e4. Freymann played e5. f4, king's gambit, pawn takes pawn on f4, accepted, knight to f3, g5 defending the pawn on f4, bishop to c4, g4 attacking the knight. What is the best square for the knight? What will you do? Richard Reti castled kingside. If knight to e5, then queen to h4 is annoying. After queen to h4 check, king goes to f1 and then knight to h6. Back to our game. So, Richard Reti castled kingside. Black to move. d5 was played. G takes on f3 is the most played move. You can find out what happens if pawn takes knight in the previous games I have had uploaded. So we have d5, e takes on d5, pawn takes knight now, queen takes on f3, bishop to d6, d4, knight to e7, bishop takes on f4, bishop takes bishop on f4, queen takes bishop on f4, Freymann castled. 10 moves have been played. Freymann is counting on knight to g6 to defend the king. Both players are happy with their position. Black is happy he is better materially, and white is happy because of the better activity of the pieces. Also, black king seems to be less safe. So what is better? Better development or material? The game continued. Knight to c3, knight to g6 attacking the queen, queen to e3, queen to h6 could have been played, but then black may play queen to h4. So we have queen to e3, still keeping an eye on h6 square, king to g7 defending h6 square, rook from a to e1, knight to d7, perhaps intending knight to f6, knight to e4 preventing knight to f6, f5 attacking the knight, knight to g3, knight to b6 attacking the bishop. This is now the critical position of the game. What is the best square for the bishop? What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? If bishop goes to d3, then knight takes on d5. Black is fine. How about bishop to b3? Then knight takes on d5, attacking the queen again. Black is fine. Back to our game. So what is the move? Did you find this very important check? Knight to h5, king to h8, queen to h6, threatening queen to g7 checkmate, rook to g8, defending g7 square. This is the second critical position. The bishop is still under attack. What is the best square for the bishop? It looks like that black is holding. How to continue? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this awesome move? d6. This move caused quite a big headache to Freymann. After thinking long and hard, Freymann played queen to f8. Well, he considered knight takes on c4, and then like rook to e7. And there is no sensible defense against queen takes on h7 checkmate. He would have to give up his queen to prevent checkmate, and he didn't like it. What else? Queen takes on d6 is the line. Freymann spent most of the time calculating, and he didn't like the outcome. Let's see why. Bishop takes on g8. Queen takes on d4 check. King to h1. King takes on g8. Rook to e8 check. King to f7. Rook from f to e1. And black king would not survive. Back to our game. Seeing that other lines don't work, Freymann played queen to f8, only to be shocked by Reti's next move. What is it? What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. White played a move and black resigned, and the move is rook to e8. Freymann resigned. If queen takes on e8, then knight to f6 with a double attack, to which there is no sensible defense. Black queen can't go to the 7th rank, no square is safe, so let's play a random move. Queen to f8, queen takes on h7, check, mate. Was Reti an awesome player, or was he an awesome player? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.